best car in the world.
I was happy before.
Without a car. The fucking liability piece of shit. Sunset, sunset, sunset. Nice. Corner Creek.
Man, that noise fucking makes me nervous, man. It's like a fucking grass cutter machine, whatever you call it.
Lawnmower.
Yeah, exactly.
Grass cutter. As if it's like a grasshopper or something.
Yeah, my English, man.
That's all good.
It's all there. It's just that I guess
Mixed up.
No. Man, you're still fucking in the video with all the grasshopper thing?
Yeah?
Fucking ridiculous, dude.
Obviously, I'm not the one who said grasshopper. I mean, I'm the one who said grasshopper, but I didn't say grass cutter. Put on the indicator. Come on, let's see the car. Oh.
Nah, I'll just leave it like this because I'm probably gonna have to